Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Reolink studio. Are you tired of worrying about your home securities? Do you want a camera that not only sees everything, but actually thinks? Well, get ready to be amazed. Reolink is back with our latest innovation. The Atlas PT Ultra. This isn't just a camera, it's your new home guardian. Stay tuned as we dive deep into what makes this security powerhouse stand out from the rest. So the camera has a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. It can be seamlessly blends into a home exterior. It features a white plastic body with a rounded dome shape. So the camera's white finish gives it a clean but minimalistic look that complements a variety of architectural styles. Now let's talk tech. Under the hood of the security beast is equipped with a massive 1-in-1.8 image sensor. This camera is like having a professional DSLR keeping watch over your home. This large sensor size means exceptional image quality, even in low light conditions. You'll be able to see every detail clear as day. And that's not all. The f1.0 aperture and 4mm lens combination is a game changer. This wide aperture lets in more light, resulting in stunningly bright and clear footage. This camera boasts an impressive 4K resolution, delivering a crystal clear picture with a whopping 8 megapixels. It's 3840 by 2140 pixels of pure visual brilliance. One of the standout features of this camera is its ColorX technology. This cutting-edge innovation takes night vision to a whole new level. Imagine seeing vivid colors, even in the darkest hours. With ColorX, you can see accurate, identifiable objects, face, and potential threats with unprecedented precision. The Reolink Altas PT Ultra is equipped with a massive 20,000 milliamp battery. That's right, you heard that correct. 20,000 milliamp hours. This is a powerhouse and can keep your camera powered and running strong for days, even weeks without needing a recharge. No more worries about cloudy days or nighttime darkness affecting your security. This camera is always on guard, protecting your property around the clock. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into the details of this camera's recording capabilities and the battery performance, and also various other features of the camera too. Now with the field of view, coverage is key when it comes to home security, and this camera delivers it in spades. With horizontal field of view of 90 degrees and vertical field of view of 50 degrees, and its diagonal field of view which covers 110 degrees, this camera has your entire property covered. It also boasts an impressive 355-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, allowing you to effortlessly scan your surroundings, and with a rapid 60-degree per second pan speed. So now let's talk about AI. The brains behind this operation is the AI-powered auto tracking. Altas PT Ultra isn't just a camera, it's a vigilant guardian. With advanced AI algorithms, this camera can intelligently detect, identify, and track humans, vehicles, and even animals. Whether it's a person approaching your property, a car driving by, or your beloved pets roaming in the yard, the Atlas has you in the frame. And another great thing is this camera supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6 technology. Plus, we've also included the two-way audio for communication. So let's talk about storage. It supports micro SD cards up to a massive 512 gigabytes. So that's plenty of space to store your recorded footage. This camera is also compatible with Reolink Home Hub, Reolink Home Hub Pro, and the Reolink Wi-Fi NVR. These devices offer even more storage options and advanced features. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And write a comment down below telling us what you'd like to see in an up and coming video, or what you liked about the camera. And while you're doing that, consider subscribing to the channel. So stay safe, stay secure, and see you next time.